Can a food truck in the middle of nowhere generate enough green? And what is the secret ingredient of their success? Find out this and more on this week's episode of What the Truck. Meet Greta. She made her way to New Orleans on 4 tires and a dream.
My husband, well, my ex-husband, after he got arrested for the 4th fucking time, I was like, 3 strikes and you're fucking out. But we were living at his mama's house, so.
See, Daddy had this big white truck, and that's where he kept his tools. And there was a kitchen on that truck, because that's where they used to make the other stuff.
Meet Gessie. Greta's daughter Gessie's in charge of taking orders.
Gessie had to start taking the orders because Mama curses like a sailor.
Hey, little bitches, what's up? You girls hungry?
Well, the kids, they tell me that I curse like a sailor.
If you keep dropping the F-bomb, then we can't really use the footage.
I'm surprised because I don't even fucking notice.
Since I have the most personal people skills, they made me the greeter.
Mama knew she could turn that truck into a money machine with her awesome Alabama grits. But then we broke down.
When the truck broke down, stayed there for a while trying to raise enough money to fix it. Mama figured she might as well make some grits for the men on the highway. She said, everybody's got to eat.
Everybody's gotta fucking eat.
When the tables came in, I said, we need a waitress. That's when we hired Cousin Rory.
It's important to remember that we aren't actually cousins.
Yeah, it's pretty unconventional. So we had to come up with some different marketing ideas. We've been trying out a new delivery system.
Aw, damn it.
But then we found the warehouse.
Meet Guillaume Richard.
My name is Guillaume Richard. I've been in the warehousing business for all my life. I started warehousing in South Louisiana, and then I kind of worked my way up the river until I found this warehouse on the West Bank.
Guillaume took them in as a family.
I was outside my warehouse, and she pulled up, and I remember I was like, what is that van over there?
The fucking truck won't start.
I mean, she looked like an angel.
Him and Guy, well, at first, they didn't see, you know, eye to eye.
Me and Guillaume didn't really get along very well at first. I thought he was trying to give me tons of extra work.
No, I got a guy for the job. No, I'm gonna talk to my guy. No, I know a guy to talk to.
It was a misunderstanding.
He saved us a fortune on electricity. Now we don't have to shout over this fucking noise to keep the ice machine going.
I told them, I said, whatever y'all need, I got all kind of equipment.
Mama, we're out of forks.
Hold on, we're coming. I put it on lift.
I got it. No, I got it.
I don't know. I mean, the truck broke down and then he let them take over the warehouse kitchen. I was Mr. Richard's executive assistant. Now I'm the great grunt.
So none of the food is being cooked in the truck.
Well, there's ice in the truck.
The guy who started the McDonald's, his name was Ray McDonald, and he said 3 words. He said, location, location, location. Well, I done figured out we had already broken one of the 3 rules.
And then something just changed overnight.
The marker incident.
Who?
Look, there's some stuff you just don't need to talk about on the TV.
Oh, I'll tell you exactly what happened. But you might want to talk to Cousin Rory.
First of all, I think it's very important that you understand we're not actually cousins. One morning, it was just the two of us, alone in the kitchen.
We got in a fight over a spatula.
It got pretty heated.
People like green grits.
And then we started getting fucking press in the fucking paper.
But let me tell you about them grits. That's the best damn grits I ever had in my life.
The famous green grits caught on for both local and tourists alike. And now, good luck finding a seat.
You get what you pay for.
You get what you pay for. And there you have it. Greta and Guillaume's green grit story. Thanks for being with us. And join us next week for What the Truck?